Peter, why do I always get the jerks?
I don't know, but Rusty's a special case, even in the annals of famous jerks. Walking brain death.
Anyways, back to the autopsy of this poor fat loser.
Who are you calling fat, you dwarf? Wait, autopsy? I'm alive. Don't these people know that I'm still alive?
Who would wear plaid shorts while golfing in the middle of November?
I don't know, let's just start this autopsy already.
Fine, but don't get testy. I want to listen to some music.
Okay, I'll put some on.
Nice. If it's okay, I brought my own scapula.
That's a spoon.
I know.
Let's just start this autopsy already.
Well, he appears to have many cuts and bruises along his legs.
Ew, look at that. It looks like a bee attack.
My spoon isn't working.
Duh.
I thought it would work. Fine.
Let's just flip him over now.
Fine.
Alright, enough fun already. Let's do the incision.
Fine. Did you hear something?
No.
Oh, okay.
What was it? Okay, let's make a pericardial incision, Peter.
Okay, I remember where this is.
Oh wait, we gotta flip him over.
Ugh.
Take those glasses off.
Fine.
Better.
Alright, I
Okay.
can do this.
Ready?
No, I'll use this
No.
one.
That. This?
You have to use this one.
Oh, got it. Okay. Ready?
It doesn't reach.
Oh
We'll
no.
put this together!
Get the clippers then.
I wanted to use this one!
Get the scissors.
Okay. Do you remember where that thing was?
Wait,
Whatever
where?
you said, the whatever?
Pericardial incision?
Yeah. Isn't
Right.
that right here?
No.
Oh, it's down here more.
No. I think. No.
Did your phone just go off?
That wasn't my
You're not supposed to
phone.
have a phone in here!
You're the one with the phone!
Let's just do this.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Wait, no, he's not dead! He may have even bitten my snake! Snake.
Wait.
Wait.
He's alive?
He's alive?
He's alive?
Yes!
Ah!
Why don't you listen? You guys are retarded! But let's party.
Yeah,
Party!
let's party!
Why haven't you gone for help?
Party on!